Now a look at Joint Task Force Southeast Operation Uduaghan. Troops of Operation Uduaghan have sustained offensive operations during the period under review. For instance, from 8 to 10 June, troops while conducting offensive operation made contact with extremists in Agota and Ifeom, Ohanku local government areas of Anambra and Ebonyi states respectively. During these encounters, one extremist was killed while 2 were arrested. Some weapons and ammunition as well as vehicles were also recovered from him. Similarly, between 6 to 9 June, troops acting on a tip-off arrested 8 suspected extremists in Useakoto and Agatu local government areas of Abia and Anambra State respectively. They recovered weapons and ammunition as well as stolen vehicle and a laptop computer from them. In closing, gentlemen, the armed forces of Nigeria are unwavering in their commitment to the ongoing mission of safeguarding the sovereignty of our nation and ensuring peace and stability across all regions. This dedication is exemplified by the tireless efforts of our personnel who work tirelessly day and night to protect our borders and maintain security. Their resilience in the face of challenges is truly commendable and serves as a testament to their unwavering loyalty to the nation. It is crucial to acknowledge the vital role that the public plays in supporting our armed forces. The cooperation and support of citizens are essential in our collective effort to overcome any obstacle that may arise. By standing united and working together, we can effectively address any threat to our national security and build a safer, more prosperous Nigeria for generations to come. As we move forward, we are committed to keeping the nation informed of our progress and future endeavors. Transparency and communication are key pillars of our operations, and we strive to maintain open channels of dialogue with the public. Your trust and confidence in our armed forces are deeply valued, and we assure you that we will continue to uphold the highest standards of service and professionalism in all that we do. Thank you for your unwavering support, now and always. In Benue State are claiming that the response time by the military to any incident is slow. Is that what you're saying? All right. Thank you very much for the question. You know, when you say reaction time is slow, that slow somehow is a relative term. At what time, slow can be 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, depending on what you are talking about. What time did they make the report, and what time did the troops come to their rescue? That is one. They did not define it. They just said they are slow. Let me set an example now for you. Sorry, your child is not sick, but assuming your child is sick, and you carry him to the hospital, and you want the doctors and the nurses to attend to you as fast as possible because that is your child to you, the child. But they now look at the child, and there are some critical issues, conditions that they feel they should attend to based on the severity of the conditions they are having. You are not aware of those ones. You will be thinking that they are not attending to you, they don't want to come to you, your child is in trouble, you may lose the child, you become apprehensive. You may even accuse them of not attending to you. But the gospel truth was that they were attending to the cases they have based on the criticality of the conditions they face. Now, these troops, they are not in every village of our country. Something will happen in a village that probably is about 10 to 15 kilometers from where the troops are deployed. and they now raise an alarm that we have issues here, we want troops to come. They make contact with the troops. The troops, first of all, they have to nominate which of the sub-units they will send there. They have to appoint a commander. They will lead the men there and get their vehicle, and they are going. In some instances, where under normal condition, you will access the place in 5 to 10 minutes. Because of the road conditions, you may spend 30 minutes. And if, for instance, God forbid, within the 30 minutes of arrival of the troops, maybe the condition of the situation got bad, what they will tell you is that we have told these soldiers 1 hour ago, 30 minutes ago, and look at the time they are coming. Not minding the terrain, the roads, and other things. But I want to assure you that of all the issues called for help that is being addressed to our troops, they do their best to ensure that they reach that place in the shortest possible time available to address the situation. Just like you know with criminals, they will just deny that I'm not involved in this, I'm not involved in this. But the question is, what carried him there as at that time of arrest? And why was he in an operational area where our troops were conducting operations? That is the first question we are going to ask. So the Chinese national has been detained and he is undergoing interrogation. When the interrogation is completed, then we'll be able to furnish you with the details of why he was there in the first place, how he was arrested, whether he was the only one there or he had accomplices. All this will be unfolded after thorough investigation has been carried out. So just calm down, everything will be told to you. You see, first and foremost, before you come into Nigeria, or before a Nigeria goes to any country for that matter, there are documents you must possess for you to become a legal foreigner in Nigeria. So if you have those papers, you are not free to be in Nigeria for the period allowed by your visa and the documents you have. So if within those periods you decided to go against the law of the land, of course, you will be arrested and then interrogation will be carried out. And of course, if the interrogation is going to be carried out, you should be rest assured that the collaboration will be more with the ministries, concerned ministries, and concerned individuals. Now, telling you the strategy that is going to be adopted will be prejudicial to the process of investigation going on. So I think you should wait until the investigation is concluded. Then I will be able to give you exactly what transpired and the fate of the Chinese national